Guys, the adventure goes on. If you're new here, you should press the pop-up video of the story behind this miracle. So after 3 days in rice, I left it another whole day under my air conditioner. And also I took it apart to clean some residual rice and to be sure that it's completely dry. And I found some dirt from the mushy lake. He is completely dry inside, so this is a good sign. Makeup stuff. Then I reassembled it and made the first power on without the propellers, just to be safe. And it powered on without problems, so I even made an update. After the successful update, I celebrated a little and went to bed. The next day I called my friend that set up the rescue mission for a flight test. And yeah, he has the MAVIC Pro Platinum, so we went on a small trip. Woohoo! So I went up in the air without problems. So we both lift off to get some fun. So the MAVIC Pro Platinum version. And this guy organized the rescue mission. Thank you guys again for the really great support here and also on my Instagram. Stay tuned guys, because something is unfolding in a couple of days from DJI and I am ready to pull the trigger. Fly safe!